Imagine there's a team in here. I'd
Charging
fucking
on my
cry.
shields.
I'd scream. How long have I been playing video games? I've been playing video games since I was like 17. I'm 21 now. Why are we switching? Why are we switching? Why are we switching? No, come here.
No, it's no one over there.
I don't. But why are you following teammate, Sean? Like, who gives a fuck about teammate?
I don't know, teammate. I saw loot too. Okay, I saw an arch on the ground. It just cut me some slack.
And Apex is my first M&K FPS game.
I was gonna say, you sure about this building? And then the care package shop next to it.
Pretty sure it's like pulling this way.
Recharging my
Might be
shield.
this
Yeah, I was
one.
just thinking like this
cruise
one or
over here.
beacon building. Which one?
Rather have the 2-story than get nade spammed in the beacon building. Cass, thank you for the follow. Ranked is hard. Ranked is hard when you're duo queuing. And you got a teammate. Your actual teammate is following the random instead of you. I love when that happens.
Oh, okay. That's enough.
Gotta close on my marker.
I'm fucking lost. Fucking cheat.
Drop my gun. I'll look for care pack.
Nobody panic, but we got bandit.
What is this?
Padlocked a bandit.
They landed out in the open. Mastiff for Sean. Kraber for Mel.
Kraber.
Did I? Let me drop my gun in here. Did you pick it up or do I go
Yeah, I
get it?
picked it up.
Okay.
Beginning ring countdown.
Give me.
Good.
Shields are recharging.
This is the good soup. What the fuck? Where is our
Cruise over
teammate?
here.
This direction calls to me. Let us go.
Rep.
I might be able to get a Kraber
Extended
pick on
light
this
mag
map.
here. Level 4.
Broken enemy shield. Reloading.
You hold that building, Sean. I'm
Wings
gonna...
out.
Oh,
Watch yourself. There's another squad attacking. Broken enemy shield. Need to recharge my shields.
there's another team pushing from the right there.
This is just a full 3.